Hello, everyone. Every business leader today is facing the same core challenge. The volume of their data is growing faster than they can make decisions. Teams are drowning in dashboards, reports, and metrics, but still struggling to answer simple questions. Traditional BI tools deliver static insights, requiring analysts to constantly interpret, query, and explain data manually. This results in delays, missed opportunities, and decisions driven more by instinct than intelligence. Imagine shifting from passive dashboards to intelligent systems that think, respond, and guide action autonomously. This is where Agentic analytics comes in. Bold BI has enabled agentic analytics in its AI and machine learning capabilities. Bold BI transforms analytics into an interactive, self-service, and decision-driven experience using AI-powered agents embedded directly into your dashboards. Instead of simply visualizing data, Bold BI helps businesses interact with data conversationally, uncover insights automatically, and act faster with confidence. Let's break down the key AI-driven components that make this possible. The first is AI Copilot. This is your conversational interface to interact with data. And the system will answer your queries by giving you meaningful insights. You can ask questions in natural language. The AI Copilot eliminates dependency on technical teams and accelerates data access across the organization. Then there's the AI Agent, where analytics becomes proactive. An AI-powered conversational agent enables you to explore dashboard data using normal, everyday language. It delivers actionable insights without requiring any modifications to existing dashboard widgets or layouts. This approach enhances accessibility to data, empowering business users to make faster, informed decisions with minimal technical effort. Then, there's the dashboard summary feature. Dashboard summaries act as an executive-level briefing powered by AI. Instead of scanning multiple charts, leaders receive a concise narrative summary explaining key changes, highlights, and business implications. It translates complex data into easy-to-understand insights, saving time and improving clarity in decision-making. Finally, the widget insight ability makes each visualization intelligent on its own. Widget insights automatically explain what's happening within individual charts, highlighting trends, outliers, and drivers behind the numbers. This means users don't just see data, they understand it instantly, without needing analytical expertise. Together, these AI-driven features in Bold BI create a truly agentic analytics environment where systems don't just report, but actively assist, guide, and recommend. For business leaders, the impact is powerful. Decision-making becomes faster and more accurate. Teams become more data-driven without being data-dependent. Time spent on manual analysis is drastically reduced. And most importantly, organizations gain the ability to anticipate problems and act proactively, rather than reacting too late. Agentic analytics is no longer the future. It's the new standard for businesses that want to move faster, think smarter, and lead with data. Get started with Bold BI today and transform your data into intelligent, action-driven insights. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.